We guide you through how to change your time zone on Slack. First, open Slack on your desktop or web browser and click your profile picture in the top right corner. From the drop down menu, select Profile, then click the three dot menu and choose Account Settings. This will open your Slack account page in your browser. Scroll down until you find Time Zone section and click Expand. Slack may automatically detect your time zone based on your device settings, but if you want to change it manually, uncheck the option to set the time zone automatically. Next, type the name of your city or time zone into the search box and select the correct option from the list. Once selected, Slack will automatically save your changes. Your message, timestamp reminders, and scheduled notifications will now match your new time zone. If the change does not appear immediately, try refreshing Slack or signing out and back in.